Breaking news coming in. Rajinikanth to launch his political party in Jan 2021. Finally, there's some clarity on when he's going to be launching this political party after that much back and forth that we saw over the past few months. Rajinikanth is going to be announcing the launch of his party on 31st of December, and the exact date, which is the conclusive date of January, will be mentioned on 31st December when he announces the final date. But in Jan 2021, his party is going to launch. That is the big breaking news we're tracking at this moment. You do know that there has been a whole lot of back and forth in terms of when he's going to be making that political foray, when will he be jumping into politics, in terms of his health. He may or may not join, but now ahead of the 2021 assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, it has become amply clear that he's going to be launching his political party in Jan. The announcement is going to be coming in on 31st. Akshay Nath is joining us for the latest. Akshay, it's been a long haul with too many back and forths on whether he is going to be entering politics and launching his political party ahead of Tamil Nadu elections or not. Now it is certainly clear he is entering in the month of Jan is when he gets into the political fray in Tamil Nadu, but looks like he may not have the enough amount of time to campaign for the elections and plan either. So does it look likely now that he's perhaps going to be in an alliance with another political party, say the BJP?
Oh, well, Katie, the details of his alliances, all those are still uncertain. But one thing is clear, Rajinikanth finally breaks his silence. He's completely saying that he will be entering politics. This is one of the major breakings that we are seeing after 2017, December 31st announcement where he said he's entering politics. Now, almost 3 years later, he will be giving more details about his political party. And this is a big step, Katie, because only on Monday did he meet the district secretaries of Rajni Makkal Mandram. And after having a conversation with them, he had spoken at his Forest Garden residence and made it very clear that he will be giving his decision very soon. Just days ahead of his birthday, Rajinikanth is finally on social media said very clearly that he is going to start his political party. A miracle is going to happen. A spiritual politics will happen in the state of Tamil Nadu. And Rajinikanth will give more details about it on the 31st of December. And a major announcement will continue along the month of January as well. So, Katie, all those, keeping a breath on hold and all the speculation against Rajinikanth's entry into politics comes to an end finally.